Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a really fun and really simple Christmas craft for your dolls. Christmas presents to put under their tree in the dollhouse. Now there's many ways you can do this. You can do this with wrapping paper, paint, or just ribbon. These boxes I actually got at Michael's. They are ring boxes and they are 6 for $1 and they came in white or brown. So for that one, I glued the ribbon around, which is super cute. And it opens for playability. This one I painted. Now, if you're going to use acrylic paint, you're going to need a lot of coats, but the same thing, it's really good for playability. This one is just a little tiny box I had around the house, and I wrapped it in paper. And for this little one, this one was super fun. This one was another little ring box. And I glued the paper on so that you always have these cute little perfect seams. And again, your dolls can open and play. Now, if you don't have anything like that, you can just use any little box. So these are little boxy girl boxes, just leftovers. They're empty, and you can just quite simply wrap them in paper. And now what happens if you don't have any of those? Well, you can wrap anything. Let me move these out of the way. This is just a little piece of cardboard that was holding the socks to a doll outfit. This is the one we're going to work with. For this one, we're going to do it the easiest way possible, and that's just with some scrap wrapping paper and tape. The easiest way is to just wrap it as if you are wrapping a present for your family. Okay, let's fold it under. I like to fold the seams under so that it looks a little bit neater, and some tape. Okay, and then we will just tuck and fold the ends in again, just like you would on a normal present. Okay, tuck and fold, and then just a tiny little piece of tape. All right, there we go. See how it's looking already? Now this to me looks like it's a little book under the tree. What do you guys think? A little bit of tape. This is so simple. And there's a little gift for your dolls. Now if you want to decorate it, you can take leftover ribbon or tinsel, and because this one is not going to be opened, you don't have to worry like I did on the other one about matching up the seams. You can just simply place your ribbon. This is actually tinsel, but it gives it a nice little glittery go. Tape it, wrap it around. You could even do it twice just to give it that little extra kick. Oh, I had it twisted. Here we go. Just wrap it around, make that look a little thicker, and tape it again. And we can do the same thing with the other side. So here's another piece of just leftover Christmas tinsel, and we're going to just do the same thing. We can do it a little higher up. You can do it in the middle. Now, if you don't have any leftover wrapping paper, if your family doesn't have paper, or if they haven't given you any scrap paper, that's okay. You can paint, like I said, or you can take some blank white paper and just draw on it. Let's do this one a little double wide, and then we will take some more tape. Oh, give me 1 second. Go. We'll take our little bit of tape and just fold it. You know what? Maybe we'll do this one on an angle. Oh, no, we'll line it up. Give it some space. Look how cute that is. Your dolls are going to love this under their tree. And just tape the back, and then we will cut off any leftovers. There we go. Look at how cute that looks. Now just imagine all the fun you can have with your dolls with all of their Christmas presents. I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy and fun craft with nothing but leftovers. And if you want some ring boxes, make sure you follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Bye guys.